It is not unusual for us to be working with or collaborating with people in different time zones these days. I personally think it's great fun to do so, but it also comes with some challenges in terms of scheduling. Hi, I'm Ann Michael Henry, Workplace Productivity Strategist with Mise en Place, and I want to share a couple tips with you to help make that scheduling easier. The first thing that you can do on your Outlook calendar is go to the column that has your times noted and right-click. Then scroll down the drop-down window and say Change Time Zone. Here, under Time Zones, you can add up to 2 more time zones to your calendar. This, again, is wonderful when you're collaborating with somebody in different time zones and you're trying to schedule everything. One of my team members is a time zone away, and I have to tell you, there have been numerous times that I've goofed up scheduling. Well, no more. So I can label that time zone, and in this case, it's Central, and I can go ahead and add that, say OK, and watch what happens. Now that time zone is added. So I know that 1 o'clock my time is 12 o'clock for that team member. You can add even a third time zone, and for fun, let's add London. Okay, so we're going to call that London, and you will see a third time zone. Now, what's really interesting about this is you can now see the overlap for the 3 members of your team, or the 3 different time zones, because you can only have 3. But now we know just by looking that if I want to have a meeting that includes London, anytime between 8 a.m. my time and 11 a.m. would be the best time to do it. So that's one way that you can incorporate time zones into your Outlook calendar. The second way to use time zones is when you are scheduling an appointment or meeting. So you can open up the new appointment or the new meeting wizard, and while you go through that process, go ahead and check the time zone box, and then you can select the time zone. So in this case, we'll do the London one. We'll say, let's meet at 3 o'clock London time for an hour, save and close, and it's going to show up on my calendar at 10 a.m., which is 3 p.m. London time. Isn't that cool? Anyway, hope you like this time zone coordination tip. If you do, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, you might want to go ahead and subscribe to the Mise en Place channel so that you can get more tips and tricks as we add them. Thanks so much, and have a great day.